Water in a Colorado Springs basement does not wait for a referral. A pipe burst in Briargate. A roof leak after hail in Falcon. They search water damage restoration near me. Emergency restoration, Colorado Springs. Flood cleanup. They call the first listing that looks 24-hour and local. If your Google profile is not in that map pack, the extractors go to someone else. Restoration is high ticket and it is speed. Missing the pin is missing the job. This category is messy on purpose. Water damage, fire, mold, storm. Your primary category and services have to match what you actually run. Photos of real equipment, real trucks, real Colorado Springs interiors after extraction, not stock. Reviews that mention emergency response, not generic 5 stars with no story. Ours have to say emergency if you staff it. A listing that looks closed at 11 p.m. loses the overnight flood. NAP has to be rock solid. Storm chasers clone listings. We will tell you if yours looks weak next to the companies already ranking. The restoration companies getting Colorado Springs water damage calls have extractors and trucks in the photos, reviews that mention overnight response, and pages for water damage, mold, and storm that name this city. A 24-hour graphic on a closed listing does not fool the map. We are in Colorado Springs. Month to month, a straight look at water damage and restoration search in this city and what it takes to get the after-hours call. Call 719-639-8238 and tell us what you do and where you do it. No pressure, no sales script, just a clear plan, or go to caseysSEO.com.